Troubleshooting blinking Roku device.
Hello viewers. If your Roku device has a blinking light and you're not sure what to do, don't fret. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve this common issue. Let's dive in and get that Roku up and running.
Why is my Roku light blinking?
The blinking light on your Roku device generally indicates a power issue or a disrupted connection. There are several possible reasons. Power supply issues. The Roku might not be getting the appropriate power. Loose connections. Cables might be improperly connected. Software glitches. Occasionally, software problems can cause this issue.
Checking power supply.
1. Unplug and replug the power adapter from both the Roku device and the wall outlet. 2. Ensure you're using the official power adapter that came with the Roku. Other adapters might not provide the right amount of power. 3. Try a different power outlet. Sometimes, the issue might be with the outlet itself.
Checking connections.
1. HDMI connection. Ensure that the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the Roku device and the TV. 2. If you have an extra HDMI cable, try swapping it out. Occasionally, faulty HDMI cables can cause connection issues. 3. Inspect the Roku for any visible damage or bent connectors.
Resetting the Roku.
1. Press and hold the reset button on the back or bottom of your Roku device for about 20 seconds. 2. Once the Roku device fully restarts, go through the setup process again.
Software update.
If your Roku is still blinking but somewhat operational, 1. Navigate to Settings. 2. Select System. 3. Click on System Update. 4. Choose Check Now. If there's an update available, this might resolve the blinking light issue. We hope these steps have been helpful in resolving the blinking light issue on your Roku device. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions, like checking connections or changing the power outlet, can be the most effective. If all else fails, consider reaching out to Roku's customer support or visiting their official forums for more help. Happy streaming!